how to pay on Facebook Marketplace. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay on Facebook Marketplace. So first of all, just go to your web browser and go to this website called www.facebook.com/marketplace, and after that you will be landed to this website, and all you have to do is just log into your account. And once you are logged in, on the left hand side menu you will see this option called selling. Just click on it, and now just from the left hand side menu, again just click on marketplace profile, and now just go to settings, and here on the left hand side menu, in the settings and privacy, under the meta section, you will see this option called see more in account center. Just click on it. Now in the account settings you will see this option called payments. You just have to tap on payments. Now just click on Facebook Pay, and here you will see the option to add payment method. So just click on add payment method. Now you have to choose whether you want to add a credit or debit card or your PayPal account details. So just click on credit or debit card. Now you have to just mention the details of your cards, like your card number, the expiry date, CVC number, and your country or region. And after that, just click on save. And this is how you will be able to add a payment method on your Facebook Marketplace. So this is how simple it is to pay on Facebook Marketplace. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.